Started?
Yeah.
Alright. Here's the new one. Drive by with a bike. Beehive. Pay close attention once again. Okay, I didn't really hit it.
Get my bike! Yeah! Why? Get my bike!
Yeah, come closer. Come on. That's how I always do.
Oh shit. Holy shit.
Alright. That's crazy. There's like 6 bikes on it. I gotta get my sister's bike.
Throw it at it one more time.
Huh?
Throw it at it one more time. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Just throw it.
heck no, yo. This is my sister's bike. It's like a lot of money.
Yeah, it did. It cost $300.
Throw it at it and pick it up later. You doing it? You going back over it?
Oh! Hey, it mentioned it's cold.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
That is how you do it, brother.
Get my bike. You have